James Tissot, The Life of Christ. Tissot's dedication culminated in the creation of comprehensive series of watercolor illustration depicting scenes from the Old and New Testament. The project, which took over a decade to complete, consisted of 365 illustrations, each meticulously crafted with an extraordinary level of detail, and this illustration were later published into the volume The Life of Our Lord Jesus Christ 1896 and the Old Testament 1904. James Tissot, a French painter and illustrator, is renowned for his extensive and detailed work on biblical illustration. Born on 15 October 1836 in France, Tissot initially gained recognition for his genre painting depicting contemporary life, especially scenes from the fashionable society of Paris and London. However, his later year saw a dramatic shift focus towards religious art, culminating in his monumental project of illustrating the Bible. Tissot's early works were characterized by their acute attention to detail and vibrant depiction of the high society of his time. He moved to London during the Franco-Prussian War, where he became well known for his portraits of his wealthy and influential, capturing the elegance and opulence of Victorian society. Despite his success, Tissot experienced a personal and artistic transformation following the death of close companion Kathleen Newton in 1882. Tissot embarked on a series of journeys to the Middle East between 1886 and 1896. He visited locations in present Syria and Egypt, meticulously documenting the landscapes, architecture, clothing, and customs of the regions of ensure the historical accuracy of his work. Tissot's dedication culminated in the creation of a comprehensive series of watercolor illustrations depicting scenes from the Old and New Testaments. The projects, which took over a decade to complete, consisted of 365 illustrations, each meticulously crafted with an extraordinary level of detail, and these illustrations were later published in two volumes. Tissot illustrations are distinguished by their dramatic composition, vibrant colors, and a profound sense of realism. In the late 1880s, Tissot underwent a profound religious conversion, which greatly influenced his artistic direction. Seeking a deeper understanding of the life and times of Jesus Christ. Unlike many earlier biblical artworks, which often depicted biblical figures in antiques European settings, these artworks were notable for their historical and geographical fidelity. His attention to ethnographic details such as the accurate portrayal of clothing, architecture, and daily life in Saint Pleasant was groundbreaking and set a new standard for religious art. Tissot's Bible illustrations were initially met with mixed reviews, while some critics prized their authenticity and emotional depth. Others found them too literal and lacking in the spiritual idealism characteristic of earlier religious art. Despite this, Tissot's works gained considerable popularity. Particularly in the United States, where it was exhibited to great acclaim. The Brooklyn Museum in New York accurate the original watercolors in 1900, where they remain a significant part of the museum's collections. The influence of Tissot's Bible illustration extended beyond the realm of the fine art. His work inspired subsequent generation of artists and illustrators, contributing to renovate interest in biblical themes in art and literature. Moreover, Tissot approach to combining artistic skill with scholarly research set up precedent for future illustrators and historians striving from historical accuracy in their depiction of ancient times. James Tissot's journey from a celebrated society painter to a devoted biblical illustrator reflects his profound personal transformation and dedication to his faith. His Bible illustration stand as a testament of his meticulous craftsmanship, deep religious conviction, and commitment to authenticity. Through his work, Tissot not only brought the stories of the Bible to life with unprecedented realism but also bridged the gap between art and historical scholarship, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of religious art. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.